From quick, tool-free installation of water leak detectors to whole building flood response, AlertAQ for multifamily gives you customized, professional-grade leak and flood solutions. Multifamily properties have saved thousands of dollars by taking control of water costs and avoiding water damage with AlertAQ.
We estimate that we've saved approximately $100,000 in annual water savings.
Minimize the risk of self-insurance by detecting leaks or floods before they cause damage. And if your buildings are insured, potential insurance discounts are available. Proactively monitor water costs for your entire portfolio and help boost net operating income. Minute-by-minute visibility into water consumption and machine learning leak detection help you take action early to avoid potentially high water bills. Thanks to the sensor's cellular connection, the leak and flood monitoring doesn't stop even in a power outage. And with no Wi-Fi or other wired networks to worry about, installation takes hours, not days. Just open the box and self-install without tools. Choose the right solution for each building's unique needs. Protect your investments with cost-effective, professional-grade AlertAQ solutions. Talk with us today.